Hey guys, how we doing? It's Crypto Insight UK here, bringing you back another TA YouTube video. And this, I will put my complete conviction on as a content creator, I think. If we reject this level, the DXY, and we start to cool off, we will have an alt season. That's it, I'm saying it. My conviction's there. This is me, Crypto Insight UK, saying this. You can stamp it. This is where my conviction is. Obviously, I could be wrong. But this is what history has shown us, and I want to just show you why this is so important. This is what I made a video on this morning. I'm just going to dive a bit deeper into it just to show you, just to give you more of a visual to what I'm seeing and why both me and other content creators are talking a bit about this. Some people who do a lot of TA are talking about this. People like Blockchain Backer, you've seen him talk about it. But if you follow my channel and watch my content earlier and saw the graphs that I've been putting out this last week or so, you can see why this is such an important moment. So DXY is the US dollar currency strength, or the dollar strength index, basically. And it's just, yeah, basically how strong the dollar is against a basket of other currencies and things around the world. And right now we're testing the previous, not all-time high, the previous high from 2016. But before that, this is actually probably, if you go all the way back to 2002, this is the highest level we've been since 2002. So the strongest the dollar has been since 2002. I'm going to show you, this is obviously 2016 into 2017 here, and this is 2020 into 2021. In both these periods here are when Bitcoin has ran. So we're first looking at January the 2nd, 2017, and we'll look at the Bitcoin price action on that date. I'll just try and find a bit of a cleaner chart, sorry. I did have a cleaner chart for you. So we're looking at January 2016, so that was the date, wasn't it? January 20. I'm going to show you a graphic in 1 second that's just going to show you everything that I'm talking about, and a bit more of like a line chart formation, so it's not quite as clear as I wanted it to be. So there we go, 2nd of January 2017, right here, as the DXY started to lose strength, boom, this is where the Bitcoin rally started here, boom, up we go, and we topped out in December of 2017. If we go back to DXY, which is right here. If we go back to DXY, where did it find its low? January of 2018. So December's here. This is December of 2017. Look, December the 25th, 2017. This is where the DXY found its low and where Bitcoin topped. And we can go again. We can go from March-ish of 2020, which is obviously C19 sell-off, and we'll have a look where Bitcoin was in March of 2020. This is March of 2020, where the bull run started. And where did we top out? Obviously, this is a further top out, so this is a bit of an anomaly. But where did we top out? Ish in and around April of 2021. And where did the DXY find its bottom? August, September, May, April of 2021. There you go, there's DXY's bottom. So now you can see the importance straight away of this DXY inverse correlation with Bitcoin. And I'm just going to overlay a graphic for you guys to show you, just on the weekly time frame here, what I'm showing you right there. And I know it's kind of hard to see, so let's just try and do what we can here. Let's see if we can make this a bit bigger. So as you can see, look, the top of the DXY price comes in here, and just in and around the bottom of the Bitcoin price, and just about ish, not quite bang on the bottom, but just about the bottom of the DXY strength is the top of the Bitcoin price chart, and the bottom again of the DXY strength is the top of Bitcoin's price action, in and around that area anyway. This is a bit of an anomaly here because we do obviously start to rally out with Bitcoin, and the DXY does gain some strength, but then as we start to come down, look here, the DXY really starts to fire some strength. It starts firing off towards its all-time high, which is where we are right now, or close to, not all-time high, but close to its previous highs from 2016. That's why this is so important, guys. I just really wanted to bring this to your attention to make you understand why I've really got my eye on the DXY. If we go to DXY specifically, I'll take this off right now. A few things that we may be seeing. We could see a reversal for the DXY here. It has poked its head just above that high, which is not that positive for me, but we may reject from here. And I'll just show you one extra thing is we're just going to add on here the relative strength index, which is what I talked about in my charts earlier, which I posted on Twitter for you guys, and I also made a TikTok about it and a small YouTube. But one thing that could actually hint towards some kind of cool off period or a reversal for the DXY here is the RSI. So before, when we saw the RSI come into the overbought territory, yes, we came down, but we did set an all-time high or a higher high, but then we did continue to capitulate there for the DXY. So I'm not saying this is a dead-on indicator. I'm not saying it's going to happen today or happen tomorrow. We could see like further highs. The RSI on the weekly we're on right now has been all the way up to 88 in the strength index, the relative strength index. We're at 79 right now, so there is still some space to run up into that RSI if it was going to reach the same highs. But we're just going to say the weekly. We're going to look at the daily, and we're going to look at the monthly. All three time frames are indicating we are overbought on the RSI. So overbought with a double/triple topping structure, if you conclude this, could indicate a rejection. I don't want to put all my eggs in the basket if we're going to reject right here. I'm just saying the top looks like it's close. Could we fake through and bull trap everybody who thinks that the dollar strength is going to rip? We break the all-time high. We bull trap some people going long on the DXY. We liquidate the shorts that are probably trying to predict the same sort of thing as me, that the top's in right here. And then we see obviously the cool off period, because the RSI is indicating that at some point, whether it's today, this week, this month, at some point very soon, in my opinion, we will see a cool off period for the DXY, and that's when we see crypto run. And that's what I'm going to leave you with today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments. I think this is one of the biggest times that we've seen in crypto for a long while. If we get this cool off period now for the DXY, we will have an alt season. I tell you that's my conviction. One extra thing to take into consideration, which I go on about all the time, guys, we've had a parabolic run here. Look, we're almost going straight up, the DXY, and nothing goes straight up forever. Nothing. You can look through any chart, any history. Nothing goes straight up forever. At some point, it comes back down. And the same way going down, nothing goes straight down forever. At some point, it will come back up, whether that's to retracement levels, whether it's to reset all-time highs, etc. They're just extra things to take into consideration. Stay safe out there, guys. I've personally been accumulating today because of this. Maybe we have a bit further of a shakeout. Maybe we come slightly lower with crypto. I don't know. I couldn't give you an exact bottom. I just think the risk reward looking pretty good right now with everything that I've just shown you, and the chance that we could have another run like we saw in this period and like we saw in this period of the DXY with that triple top in overbought scenario. That is where my eggs are, guys. So that's all I'm going to leave you with today. I hope you enjoyed the video. As I said, if you did, please hit that subscribe button, like, and share it with a friend. Put that notification bell on so you know when I make a new video. Thank you for listening, and I would love to know what you guys think to this, because this is my conviction. As I said, this is where I am, and I'll speak to you all soon. Peace up, A-Town down, as I should say.